CCSJDM, the mission. Number 1. Enhance students' technical and academic competence vital in providing immediate and long-term societal needs. Number 2. Create new programs and services with a high level of excellence and standards, thus contributing to local, national, and international significance. Number 3. Generate new knowledge through a broad array of scholarly research and creative endeavors. Number 4. Strengthen cultural and societal understanding through language and the arts, culture, and the implication of social, political, economic, and technological change. Number 5. Develop a robust community and industry linkages and partnership. Number 6. Engage in co-curricular and extracurricular endeavors that would harness the human skills of all members of CCSJDM academic community. And number 7, promote continuous improvement by regularly conducting evaluation on the programs, services, system, and policies through accreditation and the other internal and external assurance mechanism. CCSJDM Vision. City College of San Jose del Monte is an institution that is driven to provide excellent educational opportunities responsive to the needs of the society and committed to continuously sustain quality education anchored on exemplary leadership, dedicated service, accountability, and with a deep sense of professionalism. CCSJDM core values: leadership, excellence, accountability, professionalism, and service. Ang opinion ko po dito, ginawa po itong CCSJDM core values, mission and vision para maging guidelines ng mga estudyante at maisabuhay po namin para kami po ay tawaging taga-sisi. Magagamit po namin ito sa future at kami rin po ang makikinabang dito. Kaya po ito ginawa is para sundin at isabuhay ng mga estudyante ng mga taga-sisi. Yun lamang po. Thank you po.